Hello, Dr. Galbraith and classmates. My name is Lisa Vincent, and I live in Tucson, Arizona. My current position is coding auditor for Tucson Medical Center's Outpatient Division. I work with a team of 14 coders, auditing their work and providing education to improve our accuracy and coding skills. I also audit our providers for documentation issues and handle special audits such as quarterly audits of our urgent care facilities for accreditation. I'm very interested in policy and legislation. I am fascinated by the differences between expected and actual effects of healthcare policy as it is written and implemented. I have followed the Affordable Care Act from the fight to get it passed to the court battles that continue against it today. I stayed up until midnight to try out the healthcare exchange when it first launched. I'm also interested in administrative leadership. I see so many good examples of leadership in my position at TMC, and they inspire me. I understand how much leadership at every level affects each employee's quality of life and the quality of care provided by the whole organization. My short-term professional goals include securing a position in leadership at TMC in the outpatient division. Longer term, I would like to consult on local healthcare policy to increase access and quality of care in our community. Thanks for watching my introduction. I look forward to the next 6 weeks of learning with all of you.